students, in my last video we have discussed about combined gas equation. Okay, combined gas equation and gas laws. The combined gas equation can be obtained by combining Boyle's law and Charles' law. Okay, today I am going to discuss the next very important equation, ideal gas equation. The ideal gas equation can be derived by combining Boyle's law, Charles' law and Avogadro's law. Yes, then let us discuss the derivation of ideal gas equation. Please listen. We know according to Boyle's law, volume is inversely proportional to pressure at a constant temperature. Okay, here T and number of moles kept constant. Then, according to Charles' law, volume of a fixed mass of a gas is directly proportional to temperature in Kelvin scale at a constant pressure. Okay, that means here P and number of moles of gas kept constant. Then, according to Avogadro's law, yes, we know the volume of a gas is directly proportional to number of moles at a constant temperature and pressure. Okay, then by combining these three laws, Boyle's law, Charles' law and Avogadro's law, we get volume is directly proportional to 1 by P into T into N. Okay, or we can write like this: the volume is directly proportional to Tn by P. Okay, Tn by P. Okay, or P നമുക്ക് ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിലേക്ക് ഷിഫ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. Okay, PV is directly proportional to Tn, or PV equal to a constant into Tn we can indicate the constant using the symbol capital R. Okay, then PV equal to RTN. R is a constant. Okay, പക്ഷെ നമുക്ക് പറയാനുള്ള എളുപ്പം എന്താ? PV equal to nRT. Okay, then RTN. Okay, we can read like this: nRT. PV equal to N, then R, then T. PV equal to nRT. This equation is called ideal gas equation. PV equal to nRT. This equation is called ideal gas equation. And here R is a constant called universal gas constant. Okay, very very important constant. Universal gas constant. R is called the universal gas constant. Okay, then we can say that ideal gas equation can be derived by combining Boyle's law, Charles' law and Avogadro's law, and the equation is PV equal to nRT. The ideal gas equation is very important. PV equal to nRT. Here R is a constant called universal gas constant, and the next important point, this ideal gas equation relates the four measurable properties of gases, that is pressure, volume, number of moles and pressure, volume, number of moles and temperature. Okay, this equation, ideal gas equation, is applicable only to those gases which obey the different gas laws, which obey these gas laws strictly. Okay, these gases are called ideal gas. Then what is meant by ideal gas? The gas which obeys ideal gas equation, or all the gas laws at all conditions of temperature and pressure are called ideal gas. Then the gases do not obey the gas laws strictly under normal conditions of temperature and pressure are called real gases. All the existing gases in the universe are said to be real. Okay, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, methane, all are the example for ideal gas. The concept of ideal is hypothetical. Okay, or this concept is imaginary, and this ideal gas equation is not applicable to real gases. Okay, that means the ideal gases show ideal behavior. That means ideal gases show all the gas laws, or this ideal gas equation at all conditions of temperature and pressure. Okay, yes. Then what are the numerical values of universal gas constant R? Okay. We know according to ideal gas equation, PV equal to nRT. Oh, okay. Or R equal to PV by NT. Yes. Please listen. We know at NTP, normal temperature and pressure, normal temperature is 273 Kelvin. Okay, we know, and normal pressure is, yes, 1 atm. Okay, at NTP means what? At 273 Kelvin and 1 atm pressure, 1 mole of any gas occupies a volume of 22.4 liter. Okay, we know this volume is called molar volume. Then what is meant by molar volume? The volume occupied by 1 mole of any gas at NTP, that is 273 Kelvin and 1 atm pressure, is called molar volume, and molar volume is found to be 22.4 liter. Okay, then we can substitute these values here. That means here the pressure is 1 atm and volume is 22.4 liter. Okay, number of mole 1 mole, and temperature is 273 Kelvin. Okay, then you will get 0.0821 unit liter, then atm, then mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Okay, yes, this is the value of R in ATM. Okay, the value of R in ATM 0.0821 liter ATM mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Okay, next value, the value of R in terms of bar. Okay, we know 1 ATM is equal to 1.0132 bar. Okay, ATM in a bar like converting ATM in value 1.0132 കൊണ്ട് multiply ചെയ്യണം. Yes, അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ 0.0821 this ATM എത്ര ബാർ ആയിരിക്കും? 0.0821 into what? 1.0132. Then you will get the answer 0.083 liter. Okay, but ATM in a place we can write bar mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Okay, next value of in terms of joule. Please listen. We know 1 liter ATM is equal to 101.3 joule. Okay, very important. 1 liter ATM equal to 101.3 joule. Yes, അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ 0.0821 ലിറ്റർ ATM എത്ര ജൂൾ ആയിരിക്കും? 0.0821 101.3 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക. Then you will get the answer 8.314 liter ATM in place we can write joule. 8.314 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Okay, the next topic, density of ideal gas. Okay, what is meant by ideal gas? The gas which obeys all the gas laws or ideal gas equation at all conditions of temperature and pressure is called ideal gas. Then we know according to ideal gas equation PV equal to nRT. Yes. Then number of moles is equal to, we know, W by M, given mass by molar mass. Okay, then this equation becomes PV equal to W by M into RT, W mass, M molar mass, or P equal to W divided by V and നമുക്ക് left right side like shift ചെയ്യാം, W by V into RT by M. Yes. Since mass by volume is density D, then this equation becomes P equal to dRT by M, or density of ideal gas. D is equal to what? Yes, P into M, Pm divided by RT. Okay. The ideal gas is the density equation. That the density of ideal gas D is equal to Pm by RT. Pm by RT. Okay, students. In my next video, we will solve important problems related to gas laws and ideal gas equation. Okay, students. Goodbye. Study well.